A confirmed tornado hit McGregor, Iowa in Clayton County. Access roads to the city are closed. Also closed in the county are Millville, Joel's Hollow, and Nickel roads. News 8's Eric Jacobson was in McGregor today getting a look inside the town. He continues our team coverage.
Yeah, Lisa, the National Weather Service did confirm to News 8 that an EF1 tornado hit McGregor last evening. They estimate that winds were 100 to 115 miles per hour. Now, at a press conference today, emergency officials and the mayor said it's too early to determine the costs of the damage. Although there were no reported injuries, they are warning the public, however, to stay away from the town until crews have a chance to clean up. National Weather Service officials were also in town today assessing the damage. They say there are many factors to take into account when making that assessment.
Typically you would have certainly a lot of trees being snapped and uprooted, some structural damage like we're seeing here, but then you also have to take into account sometimes age of buildings, sometimes the surrounding areas like power lines and the impact that the tornado had on surrounding buildings. So we kind of try to assess all that and get a big picture.
Now, officials said at today's press conference that McGregor is a small town with only a handful of streets, making the cleanup process difficult. That's why the road heading into town has been closed to the general public. The mayor of McGregor says it will take a few days to get the town open again.
All right, thank you so much, Eric. We'll have more on the damage in McGregor and what local officials are saying to the public tonight on News 8 at 6.